Folks, Texas Mike here, just below the Bountiful B. Beautiful sight. Hey, I want to show off this 2020 Tacoma Sport to you. First off, if you'll notice, we murdered this truck out. So I did black overlay emblems. I did black ghost stickers on the bed. You'll notice we ran 17-inch black TRD wheels along with BFG KO2s. Window tint. It's a must here in Utah, huh? Also, I did the Predator steps. This thing looks big and bad. Secondly, we did a 3-in-1 Old Man Emu lift system. About this OME suspension, what it's designed to do is when you're off-road, it keeps more travel and more footprint of the tire on the trail. And when you're on the road, going into a turn, keeps more of your tire footprint on the road. So it's a safer, more reliable lift than none. Thanks for watching this video. Secondly, I hope you and your family are safe. We're COVID-19 free here at Toyota Bountiful. We can deliver this truck to you for a test drive or if you decide to buy it. Anything you need, we're here for you. This is Texas Mike. Hey, thanks very much for watching. I appreciate you.